In recent years, the automotive industry has increasingly turned to robots to create safer and more ergonomic work environments for employees. Traditionally, automotive factories have been known for their physically demanding work, often involving heavy lifting, repetitive motions, and exposure to hazardous materials. However, with the integration of robots in the manufacturing process, many of these tasks can now be automated, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall worker safety. Robots can perform a range of tasks in automotive factories, from lifting and transporting heavy objects to painting and welding car parts. By automating these tasks, workers can be freed up to focus on more complex and skilled work, such as programming and monitoring the robots. This not only reduces the physical strain on workers, but also allows them to develop new skills and take on higher-level roles in the manufacturing process. In addition to reducing the risk of injury, robots can also create more ergonomic work environments for employees. By automating tasks that involve awkward postures or repetitive motions, workers are less likely to experience musculoskeletal disorders, which can be a common problem in manufacturing environments. For example, robots can be used to lift and position car parts in a way that is ergonomically optimal for workers, reducing the risk of strain and injury. Moreover, robots can be designed to work in environments that may be hazardous for humans, such as those with high levels of noise or exposure to toxic materials. This not only reduces the risk of injury but also improves overall worker health and well-being. Finally, the use of robots in automotive factories can help to create a more efficient and productive work environment. By automating tasks that were previously performed manually, production lines can be run at a faster pace, with fewer errors and delays. This can result in increased output and faster turnaround times, ultimately leading to cost savings and improved profitability for manufacturers. Overall, the use of robots in creating safer and more ergonomic work environments in automotive factories is a promising development in the industry. By reducing the risk of injury and improving worker health and well-being, while also increasing efficiency and productivity, robots have the potential to revolutionize the way cars are manufactured.